If you need a quick crock pot meal in a hurry, this is a dump and go. This is so good. This is right up there with comfort food once again. It makes the whole house smell great. All you have to do is throw it together. Come along with me and I will show you how I put this together. It is so good. Another family favorite. I just start out by spraying it with a little bit of non-stick spray. Then I'm going to dump in my hash browns. After that, I'm going to get my kielbasa cut up. You could cut this up in bigger chunks or smaller, whichever your family prefers. This just came out of the freezer. I defrosted it for a little bit, but I wanted it to still be pretty frozen. It seems to cut better that way. I will be sure to leave the recipe at the end of the video. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. Then I'm just going to add this to the crock pot and get my onion ready to dice up. I always fight the urge to grab a bigger bowl and put everything in because that's just another bowl to wash. I would be curious to know how many do that. Do you grab an extra bowl, mix it in there and put it in a crock pot? I can see where that would definitely have an advantage by doing that. Also, I just want to quickly tell you about my other channel, Sweet Country Living in Michigan. It's a sewing channel, kind of a craft channel. I'm having a lot of fun over there. If you want to join me, I would love that. If you came from over there to join me on my cooking channel, and everybody that has joined me recently, thank you so much for subscribing. I just started this channel recently and it's just been so much fun. It sure makes cooking in the kitchen so much more fun when I'm trying new recipes. I'm just trying to figure out ways to make it easier, make it quicker. My thought is if I can have a meal that's quick and easy, I have more time to be in my craft room. I believe I have a video showing how I shred up this cheese. I do have a video of this on my Sweet Country Living in Michigan channel that I had made a long time ago. But I buy the big blocks of cheese at Gordon Foods, bring it home, and then I shred it up and put it in little plastic bags. But I take the little plastic bags and I stuff them into a freezer bag. So whenever I need cheese, I just go grab a couple of them out. That has worked so good for me over the last couple of years. I guess if there was a problem with doing it this way is usually when I need the cheese, I don't know that I forget that it's frozen, but I always take it out just a little bit later, so it's a little bit frozen, but I will say it thaws out really fast. And just like this is pretty frozen, but it just breaks up after about 10 minutes of sitting on the counter. I would love to know in the comments section if you have any tips like this that you freeze that works out great for you. Once I get this done, I'm going to go ahead and get a separate bowl and mix my cream of chicken, my milk, sour creams, and you can add salt and pepper if you like. I really love how I can grab everything out in the morning and have this in a crock pot in no time and just let it go. And the whole house smells like you're working so hard. It smells so good. But you can go to work, you can go do whatever you need to do. And once you get that done, you're just going to want to combine it with the crock pot and give that a good mix. I am going to add a little pepper. I tend to leave the salt out of some of the dishes just because the cream of chicken soup is pretty salty, so that way you can just taste it and, season it as you want. Now I'm just coming in to check it and see how it's looking. Oh my gosh, this is so good. This is ready in no time. It really doesn't take that long. I think it was 2.5 hours. This crock pot I have runs hot. So if you have, and I also have a crock pot that runs slow. So it depends on which one you grab, I suppose. But oh my gosh, I hope you give this one a try. It is so worth doing. Here is the recipe. At the end of this video, I'm going to put a couple of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.